Hi, this is Canon, and I'm going to be showing you how to reinstall a motherboard. If you look here, in this motherboard, the form factor of this motherboard makes it really hard to get in and out, and so I'll show you. It's all disconnected and everything, all the cords are out, but it's hard to get in and out of this case, and so we're just going to start with it in. And we're just gonna go. First thing we're gonna do is we're going to screw it back to the case. And so we're gonna put all these screws back in. Put all these screws in. Still lined up. I don't know if it's lined up. It felt like it was going in. No, it's not. Okay, I'm putting in these screws. You don't want to be cranking them or anything. You want them snug onto the motherboard, because if you're trying to get them too tight, it could damage something. But you don't want them super loose, or else you'll have a loose motherboard. One's in. Thanks. Alright, there's just these last two ones here. I'll have all these put in. Alright, so that's all the screws. Go back into the motherboard, and now we need to connect the motherboard up again. And so, what we're going to start off by doing is, we're going to connect this back in, because this one's kind of a hard piece to get in while the video card's in. And so, I'll just drop it in the case real quick. This is the, whatever it is, the SATA plug. Can't get it to go away. That's upside down. Is that? Oh, that's right, because the thing was on the other side.
Plug the other end in first.
It's easier that way. There. Doesn't feel right.
Take that twist tie off.
There we are. Okay. Now, just to kind of give us a little bit more space, we're going to put this twist tie back on. Alright, now I'll go ahead and plug these ones in because they're kind of out of the way from the video card. So you can go ahead. We can put these ones in. This is the 24-pin power connector for the motherboard. We've got all of these ones. These ones for the front. These are for the front ports. On the front of the computer, I'll just show you real quick. There's the USB port. It also, I believe it also does the power, the reset, microphone, headset, microphone, and yeah. What?
And the lights.
Oh yeah, and the lights to the front. You see here, it's all labeled on these. And this is HD audio, and so just put these to the side here for now. Just kind of hold them there. Now, let's see, we've got this one here. Was for the was this one plugged in before, or did we just use these ones, didn't we? This was for the
PCIe video card.
Yeah, the video card. These two are for the video card. This is for the processor. It plugs in back here. This here. This was the this SATA, right? This was the SATA for the hard drive. Actually,
The SATA power.
SATA power for the hard drive. Before we put that in, we're gonna put the video card in because it kind of crosses over that. So we're gonna reinstall this video card. That doesn't feel right.
No, because you're not in the slot. Go down.
Okay.
You were right before. There you go.
Bring it back up there. Alright. So now video card's back in. We'll go ahead and we'll connect power for this hard drive back in.
Just use the very end. You don't need it for anything else. Yeah.
Okay. Can't hardly see it.
It's keyed on the outside.
So it does go like this, it's just not going in. There it is. It just doesn't want to go in. Okay. So that one's connected again. Take this cord, stick it to the side. And now we've got, these are the PCIe power cords. Plug them into the video card here. Alright, so there. Oh, yeah, chassis fan. We can go ahead and plug this one back in. The chassis case fan. The other end to that one go.
There's just a Molex underneath there. And room that one.
There we are. Plug the chassis fan back in, just because it was plugged in before. Well, and it's new, yeah, but yeah. But yeah, that's how you reinstall it. Next thing you're gonna want to kind of do is just kind of like condense it so there's just not cords anywhere. You can use some zip ties or some tie wraps, and you can kind of just make it so it's a little bit cleaner in here, so it's not as many cords. But yeah, but that's just how you reinstall the motherboard. How you decide to condense it all is just up to you. But yeah.